An Edmonton man is carving out a hobby for himself by using some unconventional supplies. He makes sculptures out of second-hand silverware. And as Dan Grummett reports, his latest creation is really feeding his passion.
David McCauley is no stranger to this store or others like it. After all, they have what he needs.
When I first started, I would go fill the back of my truck in an afternoon.
Today, he doesn't need a truck full, just a measly 400 forks, in order to finish his most ambitious project yet. It started early last year, when McCauley learned what he could do with stainless steel.
You learn so much working with it, and how you can bend it, how you can twist it without heat, and I don't use any heat.
After a few smaller designs, he set his sights on something bigger, thus the frequent trips to Goodwill.
You're doing the grizzly bear?
Yes, they called it the grizzly. It's a polar bear, actually. It was just something that came to me that I needed to make.
McCauley got the head started last spring, using a cup for the nose, but then life tossed a spoon in his spokes. His home, south of Edmonton, burnt to the ground.
And since the house fire, I just kicked it to the side.
And so the bear skeleton sat, as did the excess cutlery, until McCauley realized what was missing.
And I mean, I've had numerous business ventures over the years, and it's just felt like it was time for a change. The chaos and the rat race of everyday life, you never get caught up. And this, I come out here and I'm just happy. Well, 6 weeks ago, I just looked at it, I'm like, it's time.
Since then, he estimates he's sunk in 600 hours, or 25 full days. He's actually lost track of how many forks he's used. He figured out 70 equal a pound and then weighed the bear.
And then if you do the math on it, kind of an average, I don't know exactly, but 15,400. That speaks to the abundance of silverware I'm finding all over. It's just discarded, and it's going to recycling or to the landfill. 402 forks.
This isn't your first time clearing this out, is it?
No.
Just as he found a use for thousands of unwanted forks, he hopes the bear finds a home, a place people can enjoy it day and night.
People are in awe I'm not sure why. I really don't know, but I've learned to believe in myself over it. How's that?
Since speaking with McCauley, he finished the bear, but he's not done with her.
It's a her, so the cub is next to do.
He'll just need about 4,000 more forks. Near Kalmar, Dan Grummett, CTV News.